What's up, y'all? This is the crib here in Japan. This is the foyer area. Small little thing. Turning around here to face into the foyer. When you first come in, just set your keys right there. And then I guess you put your shoes in here. Oh, very nice. Okay, I didn't even realize that. So this is the nice little wall. And then as you step up right there and you come in, and this is how the crib looks. So, that's the stove. It came with a little 2 burner electric, and then, you know, all this laminated hardwood to the very right. I like this. I guess the light comes through the door. And then this is the restroom. So close this door. It sounds so quiet, so nice the way it shuts. And then when you flush the toilet, you wash your hands so that you don't waste water. I learned about this when I was doing my master's in sustainability, that these toilets are the best way to conserve water. So you wash your hands, and then it goes down and fills up the tank, and then that's what you use to flush the toilet the next time, which is soapy water, basically. So that's cool. So, and then this is the bathroom. So here's the light. That's the light. And then they said this is what they call a bathtub cover. So that's the bathtub. So you could soak in there. And then it's all on instant hot water. Like that. This is a ventilation window. And this would be a washer and dryer spot. But I don't think I'm gonna even get a washer and dryer. I'll probably just keep it just like it is and just go to the laundromat. So I have a nice little sink. Okay, a lot of pressure on that. That's good. Hang up your stuff. Put your stuff in a little size. Kind of cool. It feels almost like like kind of a space mod pod or something like that. Okay. Electrical panels there, and then it's a sliding door. Like that, which is good because it closes in all of the air condition or heat. So this is the shelf right here. This apartment is probably 300 square feet. So it's parking space downstairs. Air conditioned unit, Panasonic. Oh, it's blowing snowballs too. Wow, feels so good. Cool. And then this is the kitchen area right here. So cabinets underneath. I put the plastic bag there. I'm just gonna use that for garbage just in case. I think that's not a garbage thing. Utensils drawer. Okay, for your pots. Okay. So beautiful. And then that's it. Hood vent. That's cool. And a light. Oh, up here, you got cabinets. Very nice. Very cool. Okay. And then for the pièce de résistance, this is the bedroom. So, just to give you your shoes, everything compartmentalized. I'm not sure what this is for. Maybe it's so that when you put things in there, you don't hit the wall. But here is the back wall. I guess it's kind of like a, what do you call it, accent wall. And then that's the things where if you wash and if you dry your clothes at home, you can hang them on these. You put, I guess you put a rod across from one loop to the other loop, and that is how you dry your clothes. So that's my view here in Japan. Pretty cool. And also, when people ring the doorbell, I have a thing here. I don't know how you turn it on. Oh, shit, somebody at the door. She's here. Oh, well, I thought she was here. I saw a picture of a lady who was here. That's interesting. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my tour. Thank you for checking it out on my little apartment I just got in Japan. And see you guys on the other side.